Hi guys, it's Mrs. Olson here to read chapter 6 of Diary of a Pug to you. And in chapter 5, Bub tried to problem solve getting the missing wing of the rocket back by making a deal with Nuts for 2 jars of peanut butter. But he had a problem because he only had 1 jar with him, so he had to go back inside and try to get another jar. So that's where we left off, and today we'll be doing chapter 6. Chapter 6 is called Raining Cats and Pugs, and it's dated Wednesday. Dear Diary, there are only 2 more days until the Inventor Challenge. Today was my last chance to make this right, but it was raining again, so I had to think creatively. Maybe I could use a catapult to launch the peanut butter to Nuts. There's his catapult. Maybe I could send the peanut butter to Nuts on Bella's old fire truck. How many more days until the challenge? 2 more days. What was the problem that Bub was having getting the peanut butter out to Nuts? It was raining. Tell me one way or one idea that Bub had for getting the peanut butter to Nuts without going out in the rain. You could have answered the catapult or the fire truck. New plan. I would go out in the rain, but I would not get wet. The bucket seemed like a good idea at first. Nope, can't see anything. My second idea seemed promising until I went outside. Whoa, too slippery. Back inside, I sat down to problem solve. There had to be a way to get the peanut butter to Nuts without getting rained on. Here he is brainstorming. Need some help, Bubbykins? Shh, I'm thinking. Hey, wait a minute. Why didn't the bucket over his head work? Because he couldn't see anything. What about the pug in the bag or the plastic wrap? How come that didn't work? Yep, it was slippy. Okay. Who calls Bub Bubbykins? Yep, it was Duchess. I had the best idea in the history of ideas. Diary, I would build a tunnel to the tree. I grabbed as many waterproof things as I could find. I set them up to cover my path to the tree. Bella arrived home from school just as I decided to go for it. Here goes nothing. What was Bub's idea? To build a tunnel. Okay. And here he goes into his tunnel. Let's see what happens. Doesn't look very sturdy, does it? The first part of the tunnel was solid, but halfway through to the tree, I slipped on some mud. The peanut butter went flying. Everything is a big blur after that. Make it stop. So, what was the problem that Bub encountered in the tunnel? He slipped on some mud. Oh, that's not good, says Nuts. And there's poor Bub slipping and flying because he slipped on the mud. I was dizzy and very wet when Bella saved me. But guess what? Diary, Nuts gave up the wing. My brave Bubby, you found the wing and you went out in the rain for me. I love you so much. You are the best dog ever. Who gave up the wing? Nuts. Who saved Bub? Bella saved Bub. I was so tired. I didn't even mind the bath Bella gave me after that. But Diary, the weirdest thing happened. Look, Bub, even Duchess is impressed with what you did today. Not bad, Pug, not bad. Huh? Did Duchess just say something nice to me? As Bella tucked me in, she whispered to me, "We have all the rocket parts now, but your work today gave me an idea for even a better invention. We can build we can build it tomorrow after school, okay?" Another invention, Diary? I am way too tired to think about another project now. Good night. Who was being nice to Bub? Duchess. Why was Bub okay with taking a bath? Because he was so tired. When are they going to build a new invention? Tomorrow after school. So that's all of chapter 6. Go ahead and do your packet work, do the quizzes, and I will see you next time.